In the year 5738, humanity was mysteriously petrified for over 3,700 years, until a high school student named Taiju Oki emerges from his petrified state and begins to search for his childhood friend, Senku Ishigami. With his knowledge of science, Senku was able to free himself from his petrification years before Taiju, and he quickly sets out to revive the rest of humanity. As Taiju and Senku explore the world, they encounter various obstacles and challenges, including dangerous animals and rival factions of humans who have already been revived and are fighting for control of the new world. They meet Yuzuriha Ogawa, a childhood friend of Taiju, who is also petrified, and they revive her. They also encounter Tsukasa Shishio, a young man with incredible strength and fighting abilities who has his own vision for the new world. Despite Tsukasa's initially friendly demeanor, Senku quickly realizes that he poses a threat to their plans for rebuilding society. Tsukasa believes that only the young and strong should be revived, while the old and weak should be left behind. He sets out to create his own empire of strong, young warriors, and begins to attack and conquer other settlements and cities. Meanwhile, Senku and Taiju continue to work towards reviving more people and rebuilding society. They use their knowledge of science to create antibiotics, food, and various inventions that make life easier for the newly revived humans. They also establish a small village, where they teach others about science and rationality. However, Tsukasa's empire continues to grow stronger, and he sets his sights on the village. In a brutal battle, Tsukasa kills one of their allies and destroys much of the village. Taiju, Senku, and their allies are forced to flee and regroup. As the number of revived humans grows, Taiju and Senku work to establish a new society based on science and rationality, rather than superstition and fear. They build new cities, establish trade networks, and work to spread their knowledge and technology throughout the world. However, their efforts are not without their detractors. There are those who fear the power of science, and who believe that the New World Order is a threat to their way of life. These factions seek to undermine Taiju and Senku's efforts at every turn, and the two friends find themselves constantly battling against those who seek to undo all they have accomplished. Despite these challenges, Taiju and Senku never give up. They continue to work tirelessly, using science and reason to overcome even the most daunting obstacles. And in the end, their efforts pay off, as they succeed in reviving all of humanity and ushering in a new era of progress and enlightenment. It is a tale of survival, science, and humanity's unwavering spirit to rebuild and create a better future for all. The journey of Taiju, Senku, and their allies has been a thrilling ride filled with action, adventure, and discovery. We hope you enjoyed this brief summary of the story and urge you to watch the anime to experience the full extent of the story. Thank you for watching.